everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a blueberry lemon cream pie. And here are the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need 3 cups of milk. I use whole milk. Half of a cup of all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of softened butter. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And this has a teaspoon of lemon extract. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's in there, I promise. And then you're going to need a zest of a lemon, 1½ cups of fresh blueberries, and then 4 egg yolks. And then you're going to need a pie crust. I'll list my recipe for my favorite pie crust in the description below. And what I did is I blind cooked this pie crust. Okay, so you're going to pour in your milk, and then you're going to add your sugar. Then you're going to add your flour, sprinkle that in. And then what you're going to do is you're going to grab your whisk and stir. You want to make sure to stir out all of that flour and make it nice and smooth, because we do not want any clumps in this cream. Once your cream gets thicker, you want to put it on for 2 minutes and then take it off the heat and beat the egg yolks. And this is going to be called tempering. You're going to take some of that hot liquid and the cream and put it into your yolks, and this keeps it from scrambling. And you only do little bits, about a cup. And you're going to keep stirring vigorously, and again, so that egg yolks do not scramble, because we don't want scrambled eggs into our cream. And you're going to take that cream the cream yolks, whatever that mixture is, and you're going to take your whisk and vigorously pour in that cream and combine everything together. And you're going to take the whisk and again combine everything. That way it's nice and smooth and it's all one color. You're going to put the pot back on the heat until it boils, till it looks like about like this. And once it looks like about this, you're going to put the timer on for 2 minutes and let that cook. Take it off the heat, add your butter. Then you're going to take your whisk and you're going to incorporate that till the butter melts. Then you're going to add your lemon extract, your 1 teaspoon, and you're going to stir that until the butter has melted and everything is well combined. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your lemon, you're going to cut that in half. I only did about 1/4 of the lemon juice because I want to do little bits at a time and I didn't want it too lemony. But if you like a lot of lemon, you add that half of that lemon juice, all right? Even if you want to add more, you're more than welcome to. It's your pie. And then you're going to take that cream and you're going to pour that in to the pie shell. And look at that beautifulness. Oh. Then you're going to take your blueberries and you're going to sprinkle all those blueberries right on top until it covers the pie. And you're going to just keep sprinkling them on until it's perfectly placed. And then you're going to grab that other half of that lemon and you're going to zest that lemon, the lemon peel on top of the pie. You don't want to get any of the white that's underneath, because that white is is very bitter and you don't want that on your pie. Then you're going to take your spatula and slightly push the blueberries into that cream. You don't want to go all the way through, but just enough where it just is into that pie. And you're going to want to place this pie on the counter for 4 hours, and then you're going to want to put it into the refrigerator. All right, so it's nighttime. I've let the pie sit for 4 hours and just had dinner, and I'm ready to get some dessert. I have my little nephew. He's going to help me taste this pie, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, are you ready? Yeah. Do you like lemon? Yeah. Do you like blueberries? Yeah. That'll be perfect. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut into this. All right, look at this, guys. Ooh. And then I'm going to get myself a little piece too. We're kind of making a mess, aren't we? Do you want some whipped cream? No? Okay. Well, I do. I'm going to put myself here. Let me put this down. I'm going to get myself a little bit of whipped cream. Put it on the side. So I'm going to try this. Ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, if I can get a blueberry. How is it? Mm-hmm. I love that lemon. Don't you love the lemon?
Yeah.
I can really taste it. It's really, really, really good. Nice and creamy. Mm-hmm. Guys, you have to try this recipe. It's in the description below. Check out my Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And if you make this, make sure to hashtag it Blair's Home Cookin'. Thank you guys for watching and have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Bye. Oh. I'm sorry. I love you. Oh. This is really delicious. I think I'm gonna eat the whole thing.